Number 5. K&H Pet Products Thermal Bowl. Heated cat and dog bowl. The thermostatically controlled K&H Thermal Bowl features a 5.5 feet steel-wrapped, abrasion-resistant cord, and electronics are safely sealed inside the bowl. K&H Pet Product Heated Pet Bowls are energy efficient, using only 25 watts. The internal heater is thermostatically controlled to turn on and off as necessary to keep water from freezing, even at -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Farm Innovators Heated Water Bowl. Heated Pet Bowl. This product contains of pet feeders and fountains, thermostatically controlled to operate only when necessary. Square design, heavy-duty, anti-chew cord protector. Perfect for chickens, dogs, or other small farm animals. Thermostatically controlled to work automatically. Number 3. A light plastic heated pet bowl. Enables the consumer to remove the heating element after the winter season, which allows year-round use. Non-heated bowl replacement are available at a fraction of the cost of the entire heated bowl. Bowl is nestable, and the cord is coiled and secured to the bottom of the bowl for a neat shelf appearance. Number 2. Petleso Heated Dog Water Bowl. Outdoor dog water bowl for small to large dogs. Heated water bowl, whatever in winter or snow weathers. The bowl will help to prevent the water get frozen. Provide drinkable water for your pets even in outdoor. Safe for pets. Stainless anti-bite tube. Top quality BPA-free plastic material. The bowl is produced with MET certification. Number 1. Petfactors Heated Pet Bowl. Outdoor Pet Thermal Water Bowl. Dog Cat Heated Water Bowl with 69-inch chew-resistant cord and waterproof on-off switch with light indicator that shows when the product is on. Chew-resistant cord ensures safety for pets. No water automatic protection function when the pet heated bowl without water. It will automatically enter the standby state, which will stop eating and protect the pet bowl.